really took a hard hit in so many different ways today.
Right, and that tornado, I want to talk about that. We're still waiting for confirmation. Could have been a tornado, could have been straight line winds rather. So we've been going back and forth with the National Weather Service trying to confirm that. So it might take a couple days. They're going to do some, investigate a little bit and see if that was actually the case. But those are the reports we were getting. Certainly saw windy conditions. We saw hail, we saw thunderstorms, we saw lightning and thunder. So very wild weather out there. We've said that many times tonight, but you can't say it enough. And we've seen it for the last couple of days. Things are starting to calm down. You're seeing pretty clear conditions. There's a little bit of cloud cover trying to work its way into the forecast. That onshore flow making a comeback, and with that, cooler temperatures making a pretty big comeback as well. So let's get to the numbers. First, we want to get to radar, though, and show you the thunderstorms. They're moving to our east and to our south at this point, toward Arizona, toward the desert right there. At this point, we're looking at pretty dry conditions. No moisture really making its way toward the ground. Just pretty warm out there. We're into the 70s and even the 80s still out there into the inland areas tonight. Cooling down to the 60s and 70s. Downtown today got up to 87. So already notably cooler than what we were used to. You're still above average. Didn't quite beat that record. And as we head into tomorrow, temperatures continuing to drop off. So temperatures tonight into the 60s and 70s. 72 in Pacoima, 70 in Alhambra. Torrance, you'll be down to 67 degrees. So pretty mild night out there still. Chino Hills at 72. Huntington at 63. So a little cooler at the coast. That marine layer starting to build. The onshore flow starting to come in. And with that, we're going to see cooler temperatures. Palm Springs still very warm tonight at 84 degrees. Last night, you only got down to 90, so very warm night out there. And Hemet, you'll be at 72 degrees for tonight. As we head into tomorrow, the Inland Empire, well, we're not really looking at those triple digits quite like we have the last couple of days. We're into the 90s, upper 90s for the most part. 98 in San Bernardino, 98 in Paris, Temecula, getting up to 93. So still a couple triple digit readings out there, but nothing compared to what we saw over the last few days. Anaheim down to 89. You were at 100, so already losing a good 10 degrees, planning on losing probably another 10 more as we head into the weekend. Palmdale, you'll be at 100 degrees in Lancaster, also getting up to 100 degrees, 90s for everybody else. We're going to break down that weekend forecast for you coming up a little later. Back to you guys.